Right, so a very powerful use of AI and GPT is to help summarize information and make it easier to understand. So when you have, lists of thousands of leads and you potentially want to go through all of them, you really don't want to give each one more than a quick glance. And so what we can also do with ChatGPT is summarize a description of a company and make it very quick to read. So you'll see if you go to Enrich Data, AI and GPT, and then Converse with ChatGPT, it will look something like this. And again, I've just done two messages for this. The first message is for the system, and I'm giving context for the role the AI is playing. And I've simply said, you are my assistant helping me determine what a company currently does. I'm going to give you the company and want you to tell me what they do in 8 words or less. Now, the second message is, as the user, I'm going to give it an input. And again, I'm going to say in 8 words or less, summarize what this company does based off of the description. And then in quotation marks, I've simply gone to enrich company and then scrolled down to description, which is right down here, and use that as the input. And so then you can see, and let me actually show you an example of a full description. So for this company, Critical Start, when I go to their description, you'll see it's this large block of text that includes some information that's not needed, like the number of followers they have on LinkedIn. And again, it's just not very easy to read through. On the other hand, with the GPT response, very simply manage detection and response, resolving security risks, security alerts, right? Very easy to scroll through. Another thing I could potentially do with this is transform it into something I could then reference in an email. So I could say, hey, I saw that X company does X, Y, and Z.